Good afternoon and welcome to the latest issue of Print21, the weekly video news bulletin for the Australia and New Zealand print industries. This issue is sponsored by Ball & Doggett, Australia's largest supplier of printable materials and press room consumables, and now supplying wide format equipment. News this week has a digital inkjet theme. First off, Aurora Beverage is installing the region's first Velux digital high-speed full-colour can printing system, enabling customisation of can design and decoration and fast speed to market for new products, campaigns and promotions. The first digital printer will be installed at Aurora's can production facility in Dandenong, new facility there, where Aurora currently decorates cans with traditional high-speed offset decoration processes. The two processes, offset and digital, will run side by side. Aurora has just signed an agreement with Israeli-based global technology developer Velux to supply the new direct-to-shape digital printing solution. Aurora will purchase the digital printing machines, inks and consumables. It's already begun to market the new service as Helio by Aurora. The use of cans, of course, in beverages is growing rapidly, thanks in part to the almost infinite ability of aluminium to be recycled. Velux uses two core proprietary technologies and is newly developed by an Israeli company, and it prints full-colour text and images direct onto any shape or material at high volume. And those proprietary technologies, of course, what's taking it forward. Velux was formed a decade ago by two brothers, Marian and Adrian Koffler, and it built its first prototype a couple of years later. It's part owned by Lambda part owner Altana, which is owned by the richest woman in Germany, Suzanne Clapton. Pegasus Media and Logistics has installed the Canon VarioPrint iX3200 from Canon Production Printing Australia in order, it says, to meet customer demand and boost its productivity at its digital print centre of excellence in Blacktown there. The printer is housed in its own temperature and humidity controlled room at the newly enhanced custom-built digital centre. It handles coated stock from 90 to 350 GSM and uncoated from 60 to 350 GSM. Prints SRA3 sheets at up to 9,000 sheets an hour at 1200 DPI using Canon's proprietary water-based inks. Mark Atkinson, General Manager of Operations at Print Media and Logistics, said the Canon VarioPrint iX made a significant impact from the first job. Quality is excellent. Our customers have commented there is no indistinguishable, it's impossible to distinguish it from offset print. Opal will close one of its 3 pulp plants at the Maryvale as the repercussions of the forced closure of its 200,000 tonnes a year white paper manufacturing operation continue to reverberate. Opal, of course, was forced to continue to close its entire white paper operation in January because of the ruling in favour of the possum, whose well-being was allegedly being threatened by Opal's logging contractors. 2 out of 5 paper-making lines have since closed, staff have been made redundant, and the 200,000 tonnes of paper that was being manufactured there, split roughly 50-50 between printing and copy papers, has now had to be imported. For our viewers in West Australia, a trip to the exhibition on ancient Egypt at the West Australia Museum will be illuminating Beyond Solution. Print business over there has used its Dimense one-pass print and emboss system to create a stunning display at the exhibition, essentially recreating hieroglyphic wall art from the era. That's by using the possibilities that Dimense offers for the one-pass print and emboss. And the walls have now been completed and decorated with the complex hieroglyphics. Finally this week, commuters travelling around the nation's CBDs are enjoying a pink experience, as outdoor asset manager JC Deco Australia has partnered with Universal Pictures to launch Paint Australia Barbie Pink. JC Deco, of course, owns award-winning large format display print business GSP Print. The print graphics are on bus shelters, pavements, sides of buses, transport hubs, as well as in specially chosen locations. And they do exemplify the power of print. Barbie expected to be the biggest film of the year. That's it for this week's issue of Print21. Go to print21.com.au for all these stories and more in depth. Thanks to our sponsor Ball & Doggett for this video news bulletin. This is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print21, signing off for another week.